Welcome everybody to the first video of this awesome HTML series. In this video, I'll teach you guys the very basics of HTML and the stuff you will need to go along with the series. This video is for my little friends who want to start their coding journey in a fun and easy way. We will start the series from the very basics of coding and go along to moderate and hard stuff later on. I will talk you through the softwares you will need, such as Visual Studio Code. You might need help from your parents or elder siblings to download Visual Studio Code in case it isn't pre-installed on your computer. We'll start with HTML. I started my coding journey with HTML as well. It's a very basic coding language that teaches you the basics of serious programming that you'll be doing later on. It's a very basic coding language that teaches you the basis of... I assume that you have pre-downloaded Visual Studio Code by now. If not, please pause the video and have that downloaded. I guess let's start then. So as you can see here, I'll just close this. So I have Visual Studio Code open. Now this is what you will open up to. Now before we start on the coding, we need to set up the files and everything. So I will open up this and go to the folder which is in my HTML series, video 1. If I open this, there's nothing inside it except for this index.html. I'll delete this. So we have nothing inside here. So if I open the folder, video 1, now I'm going to open up the side panel, and as you can see, if you hover over here, it tells you which folder you're in right now. Now to create a new file, you click the new file button and you will write down index.html. This is a HTML file. Now if you ever want to make a HTML file, it always has to have the .html extension. If not, it will just be something else. There's another extension that you can use, .htm, but that's just like a lesser known one. I would still suggest using .html. It's just easier to recognize and stuff. So without further ado, let's get started with writing code. Now there's a shortcut for writing the basis of the code, which is the exclamation mark. This is like only available in Visual Studio Code though. So if you want using this, I will still show you how to write the code. So the first HTML is a coding language that uses tags, or more commonly referred to as elements. Elements come in the basic format of this, where the name of the tag goes over here. I'm just giving you an example of a paragraph tag or a p tag, whatever. Okay. The name of the tag over here. The value of the tag goes inside here, and attributes, which is something that I'll teach you in further videos, goes all the way over here. That's the basic structure of a tag. Now sometimes tags only have one tag, not an opening and closing one, which I should probably mention. This is called an opening tag, this is a closing tag. Sometimes tags only have an opening or a closing tag, not both. So one example is the first tag that you put down in the HTML code, the doctype HTML. This is a void tag that only has an opening tag or element. After this, we will do the HTML tag, which is a normal tag, not a void tag. This is probably a good time to mention that you can put tags inside of other tags. That's called a parent-child element system. An example is inside this HTML tag, the next tag that you'll put down is a head tag. So in this example, a head tag is the child tag, a HTML tag is the parent tag. Now, so inside of this head tag, we're gonna put a title tag, which is the child of the head tag. So this, as an example, I'm just gonna open up a new tab. So see over here the title. This is what value that you put inside the title tag. So if I put, say, video 1 here, up top it will say video 1. So now that we've dealt with the title tag, we put down the body tag. Body tag is another normal tag, it isn't a void tag. So inside this, we will put the tags that or elements that we will learn in further videos that are coming. This is where we put the main context or what's actually on the page. We put everything like that inside this body tag. So now that we've written the code, how do we run it? That is something you do. So we open up the File Explorer and you double tap on index.html. This should take you to your file. Now notice how it says index.html and not video 1. Now the reason this is happening is because I haven't saved my code. So to save my code, I just hover over the text editor and do Control S. That is the shortcut key for saving. Instead of doing that, you could also go to File and then Save. But anyways, then if I refresh my page, boom, the title is video 1. So that's all you'll be learning for this video. In the next video, I'll be teaching you guys heading tags and more. Bye!